Oh, look at the church.
Roll the window down so I can see it.
Oh my God.
It messed the church up.
Look over in the woods, Dewana.
Oh my goodness.
I knew I saw a lot of debris. Oh my God.
Oh, that building is gone over there.
They took it away.
It's gone. Look at that.
Yeah.
So that's probably why it's people trapped in there.
Got killed.
That's why. And look, it blew it all the way over here.
Mm-hmm.
Hope that it's all over there too.
All out of the field.
Look at this. The building material came all the way out here. Oh yeah, they definitely trapped in there.
Oh my God. Tore that building, just stripped it apart.
Oh, look at this part of it. Oh my, I wish the camera can see what I'm seeing. I hope they're all right. Yeah, he probably worked there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, the truck turned over.
Please, everybody be okay.
Run over those nails. I hope they got the people out. Is that Bonnie Daddy right there? I think it is. Thank the Lord.
It's not right. Can't go back out that way.
They just came through this way. That car. They just a piece of them just drove in the grass. That's leaking. Yeah, let's get it out the way.
Yeah.
That's leaking gas.
Yeah.
It saved the houses.
I suppose the office.
Thank you, Father. Powerful Yahweh kept us safe.
Yes, yes, yes.
The water Yahweh.
God be all the glory and praises. Your honor. We do. Nobody do anything about it. I just tore those trees up.
That old buck tussle. Look at the trees. Big hole. Oh yeah, let's go on before they stop traffic because they police lining up down here.
Electrical wires, it's dangerous too. we got the deal on this day.
Yeah, it look like I see something knocked down up there, something orange. Kept the old little house right there, didn't it? It kept y'all house, Andrea. They got the storage houses too over here.
Yeah.
Oh, power, look at the trees. Oh my goodness. Piece of roof or something in the tree right there. Oh my goodness.
That just hit this side.
That's from the building all the way over here. We didn't go there yet. Look, wrapped around a tree right there. Dang. Go this way. Debris right there from, oh, look back there. Oh, shoot. Look, the debris from the building is all the way down here.
Yeah, all over there. I know I saw it.
All right, let's turn around. I don't want to go down there.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around.
But it got the trees. Look, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely came this way. She's gonna turn around. Please turn around.
It traveled a long ways, didn't it?
Yeah.
The debris.
Look at the trees right there. Look. You can't go that way anyway. Look. Go up. I want to see. Oh my gosh. You can't even go this way. They got every tree.
Yes. Over here too.
That's a 10. That had to be a 10.
Look how it tore that tree down just all through the woods.
And the ditch is way back there.
You don't get stuck.
Whatever that is, it tore it up back there.
You gotta be really careful because that whole building could collapse.